Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unlocking the secret to premium sneaker game without the premium price tag. Say hello to Kickwho, the masterminds behind the most flawless 1.1 clone sneakers you'll ever lay eyes on. Imagine stepping out in the freshest kicks, turning heads and dropping jaws, all while knowing you've saved a bundle. And because we love you guys, here's a special treat. Use my exclusive discount code DECENT20 to snag $10 off your next purchase. That's right, more heat for less cash. Kickwho is all about those who wear their sneakers with pride and love saving money doing it. Upgrade your collection, rock your style, and be the envy of every sneaker lover out there. Step up your sneaker game with Kickwho, where every pair is a perfect match for your style and budget. Keep it fresh, keep it fly, and keep it affordable. Kickwho, because real sneakerheads know the deal.
Danger, coming with them bangers. Tell me where my paper. Still on the same mission, trying to live major. Don't hate me, hate the game. I'm a player. Feeling like Pac. Represent on my block. Try to knock me down, but I come up on top. Yeah, they wanna see me flop. Got a plot, want a lot. I won't stop on my pops. Got so many flows, it's insane. They don't really understand the game. Got a plan and it's plain, I ain't playing. I'm just trying to gain. I wanna get that big bag, need that big Rex. Blow up Tic Tac with a blue cheese at. I don't give a fuck about your feedback. Eat that, get back, sit back, watch me spit that kickback. Got so many flows, yeah, they think that I'm insane. Ghetto kids in a lot of pain, all about the bills, ain't shit changed. Danger, coming with them bangers. Tell me where my paper. Still on the same mission, trying to live major. Don't hate me, hate the game, I'm a player. If you a hater, I don't hate you. I'm just really happy that I ain't you. I just wanna thank you. You kept me motivated, so now I motivate you. There's a lot of cake, money on my mind like a banker. Coming through with them bangers, ain't no room for mistakes. Lot of stake, hustle till we get a lot of rooms, lot of stakes. Good kid, but I keep it gangsta. All gas, no brakes. Got cash for the case.